Are we live?
We're live.
Okay.
Or soon to be Memorex.
So I'm Nora Zaring, and I'm the director of Threshold to Hope, and I'm going to show you today how to do a resin pour over an acrylic pour. I bought a table at a resale shop, took the legs off, painted them white, and then I did an acrylic pour over it. And now it's been curing for about 6 months. No, you don't have to cure for that long. It's just that I didn't ever get back to it. So I'm going to pour a resin pour over this. I use art resin, and it's 1 part hardener to 1 part resin. And according to their calculations, I needed about 20 ounces of the combined to cover this, but I've made just a little bit more because I have another little table and a few other things that I'm going to use it for as well while I have it out. So when you pour these together, you pour equal amounts of the resin and the hardener into a container, stir for 3 minutes, which I've already done. I didn't think that you probably really wanted to see me stir for 3 minutes. And then I'm just going to kind of pour it on here. And then I'm just going to take my spatula and just kind of spread it out a little bit. This will self-level, so I can kind of spread it out to the edges, and then it'll probably drip over the side, which is fine. I've got that taped off in the bottom so that I won't have a mess on the bottom side. I'm going to need more of that. And you have about 45 minutes of time to work on this before it starts setting up and you can no longer move it about freely. So I don't have to work too fast, but I don't want to dawdle too long either. And my resin is going to give it a really nice glossy appearance. Ooh, got something there. And it's going to protect the furniture. I'll be able to sit down a glass of water without worrying about it making a mess of the furniture. And I may use all of this on this and have to make some more to do my other project. And you want your coating to be about 1/8 of an inch thick. If you get it too much thicker than that, it doesn't set up as well. And sometimes I just apply it with my gloves. And the torch just pops those bubbles so that it's got a really nice even sheen to it. That'll be my vacation table. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. So, to keep this from getting dust and dirt in it, what I need to do is tent it. I don't have a box that's big enough to cover it. So, I'm going to use something to get my... Can you grab a end over there? Hopefully we can do this without dragging into it. Maybe. And I'll tape that down and let it go for about 3 days. So I'll come back in 3 days, show you what I've got. And here's our final result. Our table is all shiny, we got legs on it. It's good to go.